In the world of Tom and Jerry, we're used to seeing Tom the cat and Spike the dog clashing in endless, hilarious battles. But in the Dogs vs Cats compilation, there's a twist. Tom and Spike actually team up, putting aside their rivalry to chase down a different cat. At first, they didn't trust each other at all. They had clashed too many times, been enemies for too long. But with a simple agreement, a shared goal, they realized something powerful. Together, they were unstoppable. When a new challenge arrived, Tom and Spike adapted, changed their strategies, and moved in perfect sync. What was once a rivalry turned into a powerful alliance. And that's a lesson we all need to remember. 1. True strength comes from collaboration. In life, competing isn't always the answer. When we let go of ego and work together toward a bigger goal, we create a force greater than anything we could achieve alone. 2. Drop your judgments, open new possibilities. Sometimes, the people we least expect turn out to be our greatest allies. Give others, and yourself, a chance. You never know what amazing things might happen. 3. Flexibility and adaptability lead to success. Life changes fast. Those who adapt, who stay open and creative, are the ones who keep moving forward no matter what challenges appear. At InspireMind Way, we believe success isn't just for the strongest, it's for those who dare to trust, to collaborate, and to walk hand in hand toward a greater dream. Remember this. The rival you fear today could become the teammate who helps you conquer your biggest dreams tomorrow.